Have you ever pondered how we can revolutionize our approach to urban water conservation and infrastructure maintenance? The answer may be tinier than you think. Enter the world of Pipebots. Pipebots, as their name suggests, are small, sophisticated robots designed to explore, inspect, and repair our urban water systems. They are not your everyday robots. They are marvels of engineering, embodying a perfect blend of size, agility, and technological prowess. Imagine a tiny robot, no larger than your average cricket, making its way through the labyrinth of pipes beneath our bustling cities. These Pipebots navigate through the intricate network, using their advanced sensors to detect leaks, blockages, and even structural weaknesses that the human eye might miss. And they don't stop at just identifying the problems. These miniature wonders have the capability to repair minor issues on the spot, preventing wastage and averting potential disasters before they occur. Powered by state-of-the-art technology, Pipebots are autonomous, meaning they don't require constant human supervision. Equipped with artificial intelligence, they learn from each exploration, improving their efficiency and accuracy with every mission. The beauty of Pipebots lies not just in their innovative design, but also in their practicality. Their minuscule size allows them to access even the narrowest of pipes, a feat impossible for traditional inspection methods. This means, with Pipebots, no corner is left unexplored, no leak undetected. In essence, Pipebots are revolutionizing the way we approach urban water conservation and infrastructure maintenance. They are the unsung heroes of our cities, working tirelessly beneath the surface to ensure the smooth running of our urban water systems. By identifying and addressing issues early on, they save us valuable resources, prevent needless water wastage, and help maintain our city's vital infrastructure. In a world where every drop of water counts, the Pipebots are leading the charge towards a more sustainable future. They are a testament to the power of technology and innovation in addressing some of the most pressing issues of our time. So the next time you turn on your tap, remember, there's likely a tiny robot working tirelessly beneath your feet to ensure that water flows smoothly. That, dear listener, is the power of Pipebots.